Good morning, children. Hope you are fine at home. Today we'll do a poem called Flint. First, let us read this poem together. An emerald is as green as grass, a ruby red as blood, a sapphire shines as blue as heaven, a flint lies in the mud. A diamond is a brilliant stone to catch the world's desire. An opal holds a fiery spark, but a flint holds fire. And this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Now let's understand the meaning of this poem. The first line says, An emerald is as green as grass. This poem is about precious stones in the world. Do you know what are precious stones? They have a lot of value, just like diamonds. One of the precious stone is called emerald. You must have seen an emerald stone on many rings or even pendants. Emerald is this stone that is green in color, and the green of this emerald stone is compared to the green of the grass, and that's why they are saying emerald is as green as the grass. A ruby red as blood. The next precious stone that they are talking about is ruby, and this ruby is red in color. This ruby is compared to the red color of blood in our body, and that's why they say a ruby red as blood. A sapphire shines as blue as heaven. So this is the precious sapphire stone. And look at the color. It's blue in color. It's shining just like the blue that we see in the sky above. And that's why sapphire is compared to the blue as heaven, because heaven is in the sky. A flint lies in the mud. Now here, flint is this stone that you see over here. So where does this flint lie? It lies in the mud. A diamond is a brilliant stone. You all must have seen diamonds. Diamonds are present on many gold ornaments that we wear, like rings, earrings, and even pendants. This diamond is a very bright and shining stone to catch the world's desire. So what they are saying, diamonds are so precious and so beautiful that all the people in the world wish to have a diamond with them. An opal holds a fiery spark. Fiery means like fire. So this is a picture of the opal stone. It's very bright and shining just like fire. But a flint holds fire. But when this flint is taken and you rub the flint against each other, it will produce sparks, and finally it will give us fire. So this little flint, which is hiding in the mud and not as beautiful as the other precious stones, can use to make fire. So this shows you that though the other precious stones are so precious and beautiful, this not so good looking flint stone still can produce such a big thing like fire. So even this has its own precious use. Now let's answer a few questions from this poem. First one, what precious stones are mentioned here? Which are the precious stones in this poem? Emerald, ruby, sapphire, diamond, and opal. B. Where does a flint lie? A flint lies in the mud. C. Is a flint attractive or colorful? No, a flint is not attractive or colorful. D. What can a flint produce? A flint can produce fire. Question 2. An emerald is as green as grass is an example of a simile. Simile, children, is a figure of speech. Give two other examples of similes from the poem. First, you need to know what is a simile. Answer: a simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. So when you are comparing two completely different things to each other with the help of the words like or as, we call that sentence as simile. So which are the other similes in this poem? A ruby as red as blood. So here ruby is compared to blood. And the second one, a sapphire shines as blue as heaven. So sapphire stone is compared to the blue color of the sky. So these are the two similes from the poem. You could see if you can find any more. That is all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.